Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put simple builds on Fortnite. To begin, familiarize yourself with the 4 core building pieces: walls, floors, stairs, and cones. These are your fundamental tools for both offense and defense. Focus on quickly selecting the right piece for the situation. Efficient placement is key to gaining an advantage, whether you are defending yourself or pushing an opponent. Mastering these basics will significantly improve your gameplay. Next, let's dive into core techniques. The 90 is crucial for gaining height quickly, allowing you to reach higher ground in just a few seconds. Practice building a wall, then a ramp, and repeating this motion. The 1x1 provides instant, 4-sided protection, perfect for healing or reloading. Finally, the ramp rush, combining a ramp with walls, is excellent for aggressively pushing enemies while maintaining cover. These techniques form the backbone of effective building. Defensive building is paramount for survival. When an enemy shoots, your immediate reaction should be to place a wall, blocking incoming damage and buying you precious time. If you are being shot from above, quickly place a cone or floor over your head for overhead protection. Learning to edit your structures rapidly allows you to create windows for shooting or to open up an escape route, giving you tactical flexibility in intense engagements. For offensive plays, combine walls and ramps to create powerful pushes, advancing on your opponents while maintaining cover. Strategic edits can surprise enemies, opening up unexpected firing angles or creating pathways to flank them. Remember, consistent practice is the single most important factor for improvement. Spend at least 15 minutes daily in creative mode, focusing on speed and precision to build muscle memory and refine your building skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.